In today's video, I'm going to show you the ultimate beginner abs and core workout that all my new clients start out with. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here. Now, for the next 3 days, I've got a little mini video series where I'm going to show you guys 3 very effective beginner workouts. Today we're going to do abs and core. Tomorrow I'm going to show you a full body fat burning workout. And then on Thursday I'm going to show you the ultimate beginner muscle building workout. And I'm going to show you how to combine all 3 workouts to create the ultimate 7-day beginner workout program. But before we get started, guys, remember, please subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, don't forget to click on the bell icon to activate your notifications. And if you don't follow me already on Instagram, you can do so at Peter Carvell. But let's get going with today's workout. It's a complete follow-along workout. So let's start by looking at the workout structure. 7 exercises, 4 core exercises, 3 beginner ab exercises. And you're going to do each exercise in the correct order for 20 seconds. You're going to complete all 7 exercises. And if you're just starting out, 1 circuit is enough. But as you progress, I want you to go to 2, 3, and once you can repeat this circuit 4 times, it's time for you to move on to something more advanced. But let's get started with 1 circuit of this complete workout. So just press play and follow along. So we're going to get started with 20 seconds of knee planks. And what you want to do here is actually get into a knee plank and then crunch your abs. So pretending you want to get your shoulders to your knees, really crunch into the floor. 5 seconds to go. Next, we're going to do normal crunches. So quickly swap over, go onto your back, and then we do 20 seconds of crunches, as many as you can. Remember, proper form, so your lower back gets pushed into the floor so that you don't get back problems or neck problems. And then just do as many as you can. 5 seconds to go. Keep pushing. Next, we are going to do side plank. So on your left side, knee side plank once again. If you straighten your legs, you make it a little bit harder, but as it's a beginner workout, we just want to get going. So make sure you don't slouch your hips. Keep a nice straight line. 5 seconds. And then we're going to move on to heel touches. So we're going to work those side abs or obliques. So you do a normal crunch and then you go side to side touching your heels. Do as many as you can. 10 seconds to go. Next, we're going to do side plank, but this time on the other side. So 3, 2, 1, and quickly swap over to the other side. Side plank onto your knees. Remember, if it's too easy, you just straighten your legs and do a normal side plank. 10 seconds to go. Next, we're going to do the final ab exercise, and it's going to be reverse crunches. So quickly, 3, 2, 1, pop over onto your back, and here we go. Once again, lower back pushed into the floor. Bring your knees up, crunch your abs. Your abs will start to hurt now. And then we only have 1 more core exercise left after this. 5, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to do normal bridge just to work that posterior chain, the back part of your core. And this will be the last exercise, guys. So as you can see, very quick. If it was too easy for you, you just do 2, 3, and 4 more rounds. 3, 2, 1, and that's 1 set all done. So there you go, guys. A lot of fun, very simple, but perfect for beginners because we're hitting your upper abs, lower abs, obliques, and then we're also hitting your full core 360. That's why I call this the ultimate abs and core workout for beginners. So guys, tomorrow we're going to look at a complete full body fat burning workout, and then on Thursday I'm going to provide you with a complete beginner muscle building workout. But if you want to get started and you're just a beginner and you don't know how to kickstart your fat loss properly, I've created a complete 100% free 7-day fat loss kickstart program that you can come and join right now at 6weeksixpack.com/kickstart. Sign up and just follow the daily emails. As simple as that, guys. So as always, let me know how you get on. If you like this video, click on the like button, share it with all your friends that might just be starting out. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.